Cue the talent.
Hi there, my name is Shauna Murray. I am the PR manager for our PAC Expo East trade show happening in Philadelphia this week. It is day 2 of the show. It has been wonderful. We have had so much foot traffic. The booths have been on fire, and we have had a lot of media coming through in the last few days. And yes, this is our biggest PAC Expo East to date in its 5th iteration this year. And come down if you want to see the latest in packaging and processing technologies.
What do you do to promote the show? How do you promote, make sure that more media comes, the more views, the more potential comes to the show, so apparently the people who come to the show get more publicity?
Well, we do have a media center on site, but we also do a lot of pre-show outreach to the media. We like to also try and get publicity leading up to the show for our exhibitors that will be on site. So the media always know who to expect at the show and who they can come and talk to. And yes, we just try to do as much as we can for our exhibitors here.
I live in New York, and I film a lot of shows at Javits Center. And this is Philadelphia. This is 2-hour drive for me. What steps do you take to draw media from other places to come to not just local Philadelphia media, but national media and other outlets?
So this is actually our regional show. So we do have predominantly more regional media here, but our big shows in Chicago and Las Vegas every second year, they draw a lot of our international and media from all over the country.
How invested are you in the show? If it's going to be a success, you probably might have a bonus. If it's going to be a failure, you might, your boss might not like it. But how important it is for you? How much effort do you put into this?
We put a lot of effort into our trade shows because the packaging and processing industry literally touches every part of every consumer on Earth's lives. So we do the best that we can to bring the latest technologies to the consumers here in Philadelphia and also to our bigger shows so that they can see technology in action and help them find solutions to their latest challenges.
Where people can look you up, how they can sign up for the media coverage of the show. What do they get with the coverage here? Why do they come here?
Exhibitors or attendees?
Media.
Media?
Yeah.
Why do they come here? Well, they want to showcase the latest technologies to their readers, and this is the place to see it all in action, live on the show floor.
3, 2, 1, do the down. What is your name?
My name is Blake Childers. I'm the My name is Blake Childers. I'm the marketing director at Hosier Conveyor Company and Hosier Feeder Company. Our companies here specialize in taking your bulk product and bringing it into an easy-to-use, singulated, and orientated positions. So that way it is ready for the next stage of your process. Whether you're going to flow wrappers, to different kind of packaging devices, to any kind of bread slicers and things along that line, we are able to get you in the position that you need to be successful.
Okay. How significant is the today's show for you guys?
So this show ends up bringing in a substantial amount of business because we're getting connected in with the right people as everything are going on. I would say that it is a good chunk of what brings in our leads. We're able to probably gain probably close to 20% of our overall leads for the year from this show. So it's actually a really good turnout, really good quality leads, which is what we care about most, is making sure that we've got an application that can be used today. And that's the best part.
How deeply are you as a marketing person invested in the company's success? Like what it means for you, like your job, your performance today. How is that is that something significant or just another show?
Well, I'm sorry, what do you mean?
Is that just another show? You do a lot of shows, one more, one less will make a difference, or you put a lot of effort into this?
We put a lot of effort into this one just because actually this is one of our biggest booths we've ever had in the past. We're probably about 10 by 10 bigger than what we've ever had. And we're able to bring about 3 more pieces of equipment. We're able to showcase a lot of what we have new to offer. And for the most part, we're able to really have a substantial showing to where we can really place place customers' products in the machine that is going to best fit them for success.
What is the social media? How people can look you up?
How can social media help?
How people can look you up?
So it's our website, HosierFeederCompany.com. We're also on.
3, 2, 1, cue the count.
Yes. Yes, and here we are, Asus Systems. This is our premier shrink sleeve machine. We're simulating putting full body sleeve over beer cans at 400 parts per minute. Thanks for viewing the video. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.
What is your name? Like, what's the company name? You forgot. Like, company name is important, right?
Yeah, you ready?
Tell me.
Hello, my name is David Woodward, Asus Technical Sales. We are Asus Systems out of Montreal, Canada, and here you've got a premier shrink sleeve. We're demonstrating this machine, simulating full body sleeve over beer cans at 400 BPM. After putting the sleeve on, we then go through a hybrid combination dry and steam tunnel. Thank you for viewing.
How does it work in terms of like sustainability? In terms of how long it's gonna stay on the bottle? It's gonna after it goes away, or it's like a glued to the bottle. How does it hold on the bottle?
Ready? So what we're doing in this situation, we're putting a PVC sleeve over a beer can. Shortly after applying the sleeve over the beer can, we then adhere the sleeve to the beer can via the hybrid steam dry heat tunnel. It's a combination tunnel. This way we'll have the sleeve adhered to the can for years to come. It's very solid. I don't like that.
What is the social media access? How people, clients want to buy this kind of machine? Where would they look? What's the places of Instagram, Facebook, where they can see the experience? You can find us on LinkedIn, AESUS. We are Asus Systems. You can find us on Facebook. We've got a very progressive marketing department. You can contact us via our website, www.aesus.com. Which day do you like better, yesterday or today? When did you see more leads, more business coming out?
Sure. And here we are, day 2 of PAC Expo East. This day is one of the busiest days that I've seen at an exposition well, for sure for over 2 years due to COVID. But this is our busiest day so far, and we hope to see you soon at booth 709.
3, 2, 1, cue the count. What is your name?
My name is Claire. I'm with Adobe Commerce and .com Weavers.
Okay. What do you guys do?
And we're helping manufacturers sell online.
Okay, how? Because I have all the programs of Adobe. I never thought, like the gentleman mentioned, that you do way more than just Premiere and Photoshop.
Yep, so common misconception, but we have a number of digital experience products that pair really well with our digital media products. So our e-commerce platform specifically allows for B2B and B2C sales.
Okay, like, can you give me an example of how that, Adobe can be in the place of the packing companies?
Yeah,
Is it
so
gonna help to write maybe a nicer label?
yeah, so we work. We kind of in terms of how we can support the packing industry. We work on both sides. So we support packaging manufacturers. One of our customers is Sealed Air. And then we also work with some of the merchants here today who are looking for packing solutions, work with them in order to sell their products.
Which are the software that's the most significant for the packing industry? Obviously Photoshop, Illustrator.
Yeah.
Acrobat. What do you think is the packing industry software?
The e-commerce platform. So Adobe Commerce allows merchants to, again, increase their sales online and then manage all those sales in the back end of our platform.
How do you think significant is the presence of Adobe? Like some of the companies here have a huge booth.
Yeah.
You have a much smaller booth, but it's such a significant company like in the space. Every company, you probably draw a label.
Yeah, I think we're really here to start the conversation. A lot of merchants are still, working via catalogs or taking orders, over the phone. And what we want to do is plant the seed that there's an easier way that they could be doing that.
How folks can look up? Adobe Commerce, where should they look?
They should go to business.adobe.com.
Cut.
Fabulous.
3, 2, 1, holy cow. What is your name?
I am Emily Brogan.
Emily, can you hold fire?
Yes.
What's the company name?
So we are Rovima North America. We started over 60 years ago. Yes. We manufacture all of our packaging equipment in Fernwald, Germany. And no, I do not. I wish I did. My mother is German, but we were not allowed to know German so that they could talk in private.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting fact about the company's secrecy, but
Do you have the scanner in your back pocket?
Yes.
Thank you.
Go ahead. And what are the main products? What are the main things, reasons why you're here?
Right. So we manufacture packaging equipment. Anything that is free-flowing going into flexible packaging, we are able to package all of those different types of products into a wide variety of different bag styles, and some of them can even be all packaged on the same machine itself. So like our BVC Flex machine can...
Shout out to your best clients. Who's your best clients?
So some of them we are not allowed to disclose,
You have a lot of
but probably our most,
anybody you're proud of?
we're very proud of our relationship with Hershey. They awarded us with their what was the award that we won with Hershey?
Supplier of the Year for innovation.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, so we are very proud of our solutions that we've provided to Hershey. In, I believe, 2019, we received their Supplier Innovation Award.
How many folks do you have the company?
So it's over 600 people within our organization.
Birthday coming up?
With a birthday?
Yeah. Do you know anybody? You can do a shout out.
I don't know.
It's okay. What's the social media? How folks can look up the company?
So our social media is rovima-na.com.
All right. Talk just for a second.
Yeah, so thank you guys all for showing up. Before we get into the giveaway, I'd just like to give a brief introduction to our company, Airtech Corporation. So we're originally based out of Taiwan. We started in 1988. We expanded into Houston, Texas in 2018. And we have a local warehouse facility out of Houston that has about $10 million worth of inventory. We're a pneumatic component manufacturer, so we do everything from actuators to filtration equipment, valves, fittings, flow control tubing. So really anything to suit any type of pneumatic application that you might have. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to contact any of us. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, let's see who the lucky winner is.
Drum roll.
Alright, 802172.
2172.
Anyone?
1 second. 2172. 1 second. All right. Do another. Yep. One more. Wait. No.
That's
just him. 85.
Alright, draw another.
Alright.
Turns it around, takes a picture of himself.
Alright, let's see. What is this one? We got 802169.
2169.
It's you.
Got a winner.
Alright, here you go. Oh my gosh. Enjoy. Thank you.
Is it spelled right? Is that a real apple bunch? Can we take your picture real quick? Ray, can you take your picture? Just to show we gave it to non-employee. I'm just photo mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're not feeling me.
I'm filming this, but you can talk about it. What is it?
But this is a stainless steel IP69 Delta robot with 4 axes that employs a video camera that recognizes a piece on a moving conveyor. The robot will move into the piece, pick it and place it into a tray. The unit has a This particular one we use a suction cup, but we do have other grippers. Did you see the 4th axis orient the piece right into the position? This is a US-made robot, all stainless steel. The enclosure is NEMA 4X, and all the grippers, all the arms, all the drives are all stainless steel. It's a complete washdown.
How does it hold the meat?
At this particular one, we hold the meat with vacuum suction cups, but if we...
Sometimes it's not perfect. Okay, no worries.
Sometimes the vacuum on the meat is not holding it.
Okay.
Don't put this on.
Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Go ahead. What?
So the advantage of this unit is that it's in the meat industry and
Hold it.
in the food industry, especially in the meat and dairy, where you need a complete washdown system. The all stainless steel robot can be completely washed down and hosed down, could be steamed, soaped, and there's no material over here that can go rusty. Everything is made out of USDA approved material.
Which companies can buy that?
All the companies that manufacture meat products, dairy product, cheese, anything that needs to be picked and placed randomly from a conveyor line into a tray or a cup or a box. And we could do multi-cells for high speeds.
What is your name?
My name is Tim Geary, and
can you help hold it higher?
Sure. My name is Tim Geary, and I'm the Director of Inkjet Technology here at Kirk Rudolph. And today at PAC East, we have a Firejet system, and the Firejet is based on the Memjet Duraflex technology. It's a 4-color process print head.
How fast is it?
So it can run up to 20,000 number 10 envelopes an hour, and it has 2 resolutions, 1600 by 1600 and 16 by 954. So it's got very high resolution, and depending on the media, it can give you near offset print quality. It's very flexible, has automatic capping, wiping, very little user intervention, and we design and...
How reliable are they? Like, how long do they can last? Like a year, 10 year?
So the life is really, it's a 10-year plus life on the things, because the only maintenance on these systems is really the consumable parts, which are operator replaceable. So we have things like print heads, we have wipers, and of course the bulk inks. Okay. There are certain wear parts on the base, such as rollers and belts, standard kind of stuff.
Typical clients for this type of machinery.
Okay. Most of the clients that are purchasing this type of system today are printing number 10 envelopes or envelope stocks. They're also printing on specialty products such as napkins, coasters, drink sleeves. They're printing on corrugated boxes, and also standard stationery, almost like a...
What's the social media? How people, folks, if they want to buy it, where would they look?
So they can go to kirkrudi.com, which is our website, and look up their local distributor. So we sell and service our machines through distributors worldwide. They can contact Kirk Rudolph directly, and we will give them all the necessary information, and also set up a demo. And
PAC Expo summary?
Yes. Well, talk about your brand. What's your name?
All right. This is Brad. I'm with Abe Equipment from Lincoln, Nebraska. Good old Abe Lincoln. We do craft beverages, so if you've got something to drink, we can put it in a package, get it out to your customer. If you can, we can help you can. That's what we got.
One of my clients is Dina Lose the energy drinks. Like
okay.
I have a Monster drink, like a Red Bull, those really nice. What is the application that I see you doing the cans? When I have distribution with the cans, my main concern is they're gonna pop in my car. I'm driving.
Correct.
Boom, boom, and at some point, all the cans, because I don't know when they make them. And like Dila, for example, they distribute from Italy, right? So it's sometimes the cans are not so strong. The aluminum is not very well made. and it pops, and its energy drink smells really bad.
Yeah, it does.
It stinks in a car. What are the technologies? What do you do to prevent that kind of thing?
So there's a couple of things to prevent that. One's going to be the seaming lining. The can lining is going to be a resistant chemical. It's like kind of like a rubber plastic coating they put inside. And then our canning line features real-time torque monitoring in the seaming station. So when those lids are getting rolled onto the body of the can, it's measuring in real time to know what's happening. And if there's something egregiously out of spec, it kicks that can right off the line right away and never makes it to final package.
Okay. Anything else is in your pipeline that you're working on, that you're coming up as announcements?
Yeah, so we are getting away from only servicing the traditional beverage markets with cans and bottles. We're going to be going into the ROPP aluminum can, the hybrid. We're also getting into the small shots, 1-2 ounce containers.
How significant is today's show for you? Like, are you planning to kill it and make a lot of sales? Are you how do you guys prepare for the show?
So for this show, it's interesting because there's a ton of different industries all together. So we're only going to appeal to about 15% of the people here, which we're going to make a really good impression on those 15%.
But how do you know who's your 15%? Like, they all look the same. How do you know who's for real and who's bullshitting?
That is a very good question. A lot of times, if they ask us what we do and we ask them what they're filling and they don't know right away, then that's a pretty good vetting tool. Also asking about package size. If you don't know what size your package size is, you're probably not into packaging.
I see. That's a good one. Let's see. What do you think is the future of the packaging industry as it is? Like, how do you see the industry evolve with Amazon, the new technologies, maybe next 20, 30, 50 years?
So that's an interesting question because the technology is going to have to keep up with the changes in markets, and we are seeing bigger and smaller getting bigger. The middle guys are kind of disappearing, and we're seeing a lot of people trying to get into the super craft. So we're going to have small stuff so you can hand fill, but also have the opportunity for them to grow. So not getting the 7,000 cans per second. It's more about getting a quality package that someone can do in a 10,000 square foot warehouse.
What kind of steps do you take to make your then they can hear my question. So what kind of steps do you take to make sure that your potential clients can come here to the show? Like, you probably have maybe 10, 20 folks who already kind of looked at it.
Mm-hmm.
They're really interested, but for whatever reason, they didn't buy it. Whether they didn't have the money today or they're budgeting, and you try to come and make them come here so you can pitch again, and hopefully they place the orders. They see you amongst other people, right? What do you do to convince them to come here?
So I feel that the shows are not really a closing tool as much as they used to be in the past. I think this is more educating and gathering new leads than it is closing out old ones. At least that's what we see in our industry. Now, some of these other guys know that people are saying, I'm packaging green beans. I'm going to go check out every packager and I'm going to make a decision today. I don't feel that in the beverage industry it's that the same.
Decision today, but this is an opportunity for them to smell it, to touch it. So, like, whenever we talked on Zoom in the last 2 years,
yeah,
it was like fine. But when you actually physically touch it and see it, that's like a very important step in the sales process.
Well, I think it is equally important for them to touch out and reach out and see the equipment, but also us, the real person behind it. So I think the interpersonal relationship is a much more important aspect of these shows.
For the new folks that come passing through, how do you screen those leads? Do you advertise in advance your booth? What do you do to make them come to you? Because there are plenty of other guys here.
Yeah, so in this specific show, we are one of the few beverage packagers, one of the very few that's doing bottles and cans. So from that aspect, we can get them to come to us, which is nice, which is always easier.
What's the social media? How people can look you up?
We are abeequipment.com, ABE Equipment. We are out there, and our partner, our parent brand is Norland International.
Cue the talent. What is your name?
Good morning. I'm Simon Song. I'm from New Jersey, and this is one of our flagship machine, rotary pouch machine, fully automatic. We can do up to 2-liter pouches, liquid sauces, and we can do about 20 bags in a minute. Highly reliable, affordable machine. Thank you so much.
What's the social media? How do people can look it up? How the clients can buy it? YouTube? Yeah, what is YouTube?
Yeah, you can find us on YouTube, Smart Packaging Technology, and visit our website, smartpackagingtechnology.com. Thank you.
How are you? Can we get a quick soundbite?
Я тебе сейчас покажу, у них там щетки, все это люди могут заинтересоваться. Вот я видео это надо.
Отойди.
Ну, я тебе покажу, кому надо.
Отойди.
I would forget. She would always be like my person, be like, you're not gonna like that angle.
Yeah, go ahead. Can I get it?
We are PPG Aerospace. I'm Mary Reddy from PPG Aerospace. We are based out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are manufacturer of coatings, sealants, and plastics for the aerospace industry. Come visit our website, www.ppg.com. Thank you.
ready. Okay. I'm filming while you put it. That's the interesting part also. I want to see the...
I'm gonna wait for a gap in the fake bottle. You say when, okay? No?
Yes.
On.
Thank you. Can I get a quick sound bite?
Sorry, Alpha.
Can we get a soundbite for you guys?
Sorry?
Can I get a soundbite, like interview?
Sure.
So much better without glare.
You want to see a run that it picks in place?
Yes. While it's run, can you talk a little bit about it?
Sure.
Hold this one.
Over the years, I sold lots of these.
You have sold lots of these?
Not, it wasn't a beer company.
We don't really only have one of those. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those.
My name is Kyle.
A little bit higher.
A little higher like this.
Go ahead.
My name is Kyle. I'm with Airtech USA.
What does this machinery do?
So we're a pneumatics manufacturer. We provide components for rotary actuating, slides, grippers, valves, fittings, anything you need to automate your component in your plant.
What's the story? Like, why you guys do better than the competitors?
Yeah,
Like,
so we're based out of Katy, Texas in the U.S. We're a Taiwanese-based company with offshore manufacturing, and we currently have approximately $10 million of inventory in Texas, which is making it readily easy to get product these days and replacing our competition such as Festo or SMC or Parker.
How significant is the today show for your business?
It's
you're gonna get business here. Would that do something, or you don't expect to do place orders on the spot, but you're looking for the new leads?
Yeah, we don't take orders on the spot, but we're getting leads for people that make machinery, machine builders, plants. A lot of people come by and look at our product and want us to get in touch with them with further information.
Okay. Where people can look up to the company name?
It's www.airtac.com. It's AIRTAC.com. And we are global, worldwide. We have locations all over the world.
Good. Can I ask for a quick soundbite? 3, 2, 1, cue the count. What is your name?
Hello, my name's John Dumas. I'm a regional sales manager with EconoCorp. We're here at PAC Expo East. We're showing a couple of our entry-level cartoners, our Twin Seal, which is a carton sealer, and our E-System 2000 set up here as a manual load system, which can also be accommodated with conveyor and product loading. These are the entry-level machines we offer, and we're still maintaining our focus on moderate speed packaging up to 120 cartons per minute. Tray formers and case packers. Enjoy the show.
Automated solar. Wait. 2, 1, cue the count. What kind of machine are we filming now?
Right now you're looking at Freedomatic's Versa 5 filling system. It's a fully automated cartridge filling system with different levels of integrated heating technology. And right now it's the benchmark in the cannabis industry for filling cartridges and disposable pens.
Cut.
All right, so this is Freedomatic. That's what we have at the Fusion 2. The machine, they run it with the round bottles, 30 mLs with the tip.
Okay. How fast is it?
60 bottles per minute we can do.
60 bottles.
Yes.
Anything special about it compared to other machines that I've seen here?
Well, the compare is this basically the size what everybody needs, but we can do different sizes on this machine.
Okay. What's the company name?
Freedomatic.
Cut.
So, I'm building like our friction feeders, paper feeders. I'm building a system right now to do poker cards, like playing cards for the casinos.
Wow.
That runs at 1,800 cards a minute.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Why don't we make it do something?
Jeez, don't stare at that light too long. Oh my goodness.
full, they start bouncing out.
I see. What's your name?
Hi, Cameron Smith. I'm here with Longford International. We manufacture desiccant feeders, friction feeders, and we can integrate into pretty much any parent machine to suit your application.
Okay. Do you want to shout out to your best customers? Like who do you like in the industry? Nope.
Not really. There's too many NDAs.
That makes sense. Can I ask you a question? Like, how big is the company? How many people you have?
We're just over 70 people in Toronto. We've been in business since 1969, and we have about a 70,000 square foot facility.
Any birthdays coming up? Do you want to shout out to any of the folks in the company? Nope.
No, it's okay.
And cut. Can I get a soundbite?
Who are you with?
I'm Alexander Gurman. I'm Gurman Public Interest. Filming with the show.
Are you supported by PMI or?
Yeah, I have the PAC Expo. I have a.
It's like the wheel at the gym. The wheel out.
No. Try again. No, go ahead. One more time. Power bank. It's a phone charger.
Thank you.
2 more minutes.
Branko Vukotic, thank you for visiting PMIKYodo. We are featuring horizontal cartoning machine designed for pharmaceutical industry, contract packaging industry.
Okay.
A most compact, high-speed, all servo-driven, latest technology designed for many different carton sizes, variety of product types.
How much a machine like this?
Depending on application, depending on how many products you're running, we price
we have
it.
3 like Vat Vitos. We run like 3 main products. We have about like maybe 100 SKUs, but 3 are the ones that actually in the sale?
We need fully understand the application in order to provide the price. We are a custom manufacturing company. We design them and build them according to customer needs.
Gotcha. What's the social media? How they can look you up?
PMIKYodo.com on our website. We are on LinkedIn, Facebook.
And Cut.